20 unique small apartment organization ideas that are quite amazing. 20 Try to minimize clutter in your entryway. Choose and remove anything else that isn't part of your vision for your entryway. 19 Go with an ottoman bed, because an ottoman bed is not just a bed. It's got storage spaces in it. 18 Take advantage of underbed storage, but remember, always keep that area clean or it will damage anything you put underneath your bed. 17 Choose a storage headboard. Keeping a versatile headboard for additional storage or display space is always a good idea. 16 Get a room divider with storage. It is a great way not only to secure privacy but maximize the space you. 15 Make the most of vertical space. Utilize any vertical space you have for, say, books, artworks, clothes, and etc. 14 Install a fold-down table. You may use them for work if you work from home, to eat on, or to study on. 13 Add storage furniture to the kitchen. Extra cabinets are always good options in your kitchen if you live in a small apartment. 12 Opt for a rolling island. It's convenient, efficient, and flexible in offering additional space. 11 Utilize storage cubbies. These are not just stylish but a great way to organize your stuff in it, as it's got a lot of compartments. 10 Get cozy with corners. It would be a good idea to build a customized storage closet in a corner so you can really make use of it. 9 Create a closet. It will cost a little bit with the labor, but hey, it will all be cost effective. 8 Replace dressers with floating shelves. Replace the furniture that takes up a lot of space and opts for minimalist ones. 7 Save space with nesting tables. They can be stored or tucked away neatly on a corner or underneath something. Enter your text here. 6 Take advantage of empty wall space. Empty wall spaces will always give you additional vertical storage space. 5 Keep similar items together so they don't only clutter but are easy to find and use whenever you need them. 4 Give tech a home. Keep all of your tech and devices in one place too. 3 Let the pantry work for you. Spice up your pantry. Put everything that you need in one place. 2 Organize items by use. Organize your stuff based on what you use them for and keep proximity appropriate at all times. 1 Staircase bookshelves. Staircase bookshelves are stylish and won't occupy much space.